Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. My name is Kenzie. If you did not know that, then now you know. And you guys, today I have a very exciting Coach unboxing. If this is the first time you ever seen me, then hello, I'm so happy to have you. My name is Kenzie. I make a lot of videos about luxury handbags, luxury fashion, travel, jewelry, but mostly handbags. I like those a lot, but today we do have a fun little unboxing video. If any of that sounds fun to you, if you like the idea, then I would ask you consider clicking the subscribe button and give this video a like and ding a little bell down there so you're notified every time I upload. And you guys, without any further ado, let's get into the video. So yes, hi, hello everyone. I did not ever think that I was actually going to do this unboxing on this channel because I did an unboxing on the vlog. Of course, come watch my vlogs if you want to see unboxings first. But, you know, I was thinking, I haven't shown this on the main channel. I know not many people watch the vlogs. I mean, some people do, but I know most people watch the sit down videos and some people don't like vlogs. So I was like, hey, you know what? Let me just go ahead and do this little unboxing here on the channel as well. Just like as a sit down video, so those that did not see the vlog can see the little bag. So yes, I purchased this actually like a month and a half ago or so, and I had to get this secondhand. So I got this from Mercari, but they did authenticate it. I would normally not buy handbags from Mercari, but the fact it's a Coach bag, it's not going to be like horribly expensive or anything like that. I wouldn't personally ever buy like a Prada or Gucci or Bottega or anything like that from Mercari, but something like Coach, I was like, oh, this is fun. So, and again, it was authenticated, no big deal. But I did get this like a month ago and I was like, you know what? I really just want to show the people on like a sit down video. So that's what we're going to do today. If you know, I do have a Coach Pillow Tabby bag in the 26 size. So that is like the bigger size. And now we have a little addition to the family. A little backstory is that the Coach bag, the quilted tabby bag, I did end up returning that one because I saw this one on Mercari and I was like, oh my god, this is so great because I really like the pillow tabby style in general. And then I saw this color and I was like, oh my god, yes, because I've been really wanting something that's more like nighttime wear, something that's more like evening. So I ended up returning the quilted tabby bag and I got this one. So here we go. Oh! Okay, so here is the little dust bag. She is so cute. Look at this. And you can tell she is a mini, so she is in the 18 size because look at this cutie little dust bag. It's so small. Let me know in the comments, kind of take a guess as to what color you think this is. Let me know if you think it's like blue or purple or pink or some other kind of color. But let me know in the comments and then also leave me a comment, let me know if you were correct or not. But don't cheat. Don't cheat. Oh my god! Do you see this? Do you see her? Oh, she's so cute! So, if you can tell, this is the Coach Pillow Tabby bag in the 18 size, and she is in this beautiful metallic gold. I've been wanting a kind of night out bag, kind of evening bag situation for a while, and I didn't know what to get. Like, I didn't know what I wanted. I didn't know if I wanted something from, I don't know, Celine or something from a different brand. And I was like, oh my god, what should I get? And then I came across this one. And this is the one that I chose. I think that she is the cutest thing that I've ever seen. So I will definitely be doing a comparison for you guys between my 26 size and this size because you can just see she's like a little nugget. She's like a tiny. And then on the inside, of course, you do have the top handle that does detach, so you can take this off and use it as a clutch if you wanted to. No feet on the bottom or anything like that. And then we do have like the gold kind of C button closure, and then on the inside, this is what it looks like. You have one pocket in the back. You have, again, this stupid little divider, which I hate. And then you have one pocket in the front. And then you also have this little dog tag that it says Coach, and it's all puffy. And then of course this does come with a crossbody strap as well, and the crossbody strap is in the same color as the bag, and it is fully removable and adjustable. It kind of adjusts like a belt. So you can take these off. Let's just say you got tired of top handling it. I mean, you guys know what a crossbody strap is, but yeah, then you could tighten it and wear it crossbody, or even wear it on your shoulder. So again, very versatile. You have many, many different ways to wear this bag. It all just depends on what you like and kind of where you're going. I could totally see this bag being a clutch as well. Like if you're going out to some kind of fancy dinner or some kind of like really special event or something, then I would totally see myself wearing this as like a cute little clutch. But yeah, that is the overview of the bag. I do want to go into like dimensions. So it is 8.25 inches long. It is 4.75 inches high, and then 2.25 inches in depth. And for those of you who are wondering, yes, my phone fits in this bag. I have the iPhone 15 Pro Max. I was shocked, you guys, genuinely shocked when I found out that this phone fit in this bag. iPhone 15 Pro Max with a case. Now, I don't know if it's like every case will still fit, but my case right now is from Berga, and it's like this cute little one with bows and bears. But yeah, it's got a case on it and it still fits in this bag, which is insane. So your phone would fit in this pocket here, and then you have this back one for your other stuff. Let's actually show you. I'm gonna show you what fits. So we got my phone. If you are somebody that does not carry your phone around in your bag, I will show you some other options, because I'm usually not someone that carries my phone in my bag. I usually always carry my phone like in my pocket or something, but with this bag being like a night out bag, not many night out clothing pieces have pockets. So if I were to carry this bag a night out, I would put my phone in my bag for this particular instance. So with my phone in my bag, I have, this is my current bag at the moment. So I have all of my stuff in here. I don't have my slim wallet with me. If you want to see, it does fit in there. It just, at this point, it kind of becomes a little hard to close. It still does close, which is crazy, but you can tell it's like super full. Just pretend that this is like a slim wallet, but I did get my lipstick, like a little lip gloss or lipstick in there. I could probably fit this Chanel mirror behind the card holder, or maybe I could even put it into this little pouch right here. Here's my headache medication. People definitely need headache medication, so that does also fit in there as well. It kind of just depends on what you're needing, and then it does, in fact, snap shut. But if you don't carry your phone, if this is not something that you're interested in, then your card holder could go in the back here, no problem. And then it could fit the AirPods like right next to it. So you have the back full, and then the front part, you could put like your mirror, your lipstick, and then that's really about it. You might be able to get this in here. This is really bulky though. Yeah, unfortunately, I can't really get the headache medication in here with the lipstick. I imagine it just kind of depends on what you need. If I were carrying a smaller card holder, that's like a slim card holder, I probably would be able to fit the headache medication in the back pocket. But it's just, it's all about Tetris. It's how you can Tetris the bag. But yeah, of course, if you don't carry your phone with you, you're gonna be able to fit way more things. With me, I would definitely carry my phone with me in this bag because of the type of bag that it is. And I do think it still fits a decent amount for being this tiny, but it still fits your essentials, which is great. But yeah, you guys, that's basically my little unboxing of this new Coach Tabby bag in the 18 size. She's super cute, and yeah, let me know in the comments if you like this bag. Let me know if you would also get this bag, or if you would get it in a different color. Let me know what your thoughts are. And just leave me a comment down below telling me anything, because I'm nosy and I want to know that. But you guys, thank you again for watching this video today. I really hope that you did enjoy it. If you did, then go ahead and click up the like button for me, and then subscribe if you want to, and be sure to ding a little bell down there so you're notified every time I upload. And you guys, I'll see you in the next video. Bye!